Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my oatmeal pancake recipe. This recipe is one that I love because it is healthy, it is delicious, and it is filling. Like if I eat it in the morning, I don't go hungry the whole day. And it is also easy to make and doesn't take time. All you need is just to have your oatmeal, have your milk and pepper. It's very easy to make, and maybe oil or honey, whatever you like for the sweetening, and your pancake is ready in no time. So guys, stay tuned. Let's dive into the cooking. For our oatmeal pancake, I'm using the old-fashioned oats. I have my oats here. I'm using 2 cups of oats for this recipe. And first, I'll be soaking my oats in some milk. I'm using almond milk for this recipe. It's homemade, and I will be sharing the recipe soon with you guys, so you stay tuned for this amazing almond milk recipe. This is how our milk looks, so I will pour this into my oats and I'll give it a gentle stir. You can use any milk of your choice, but I prefer to use almond milk. So I'll put this in my refrigerator while I continue with the rest of the prep. Next, I'll break some eggs into a bowl. I'm using 2 eggs. Then I'll go ahead to whisk this. I'm going with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 of salt, 1/8 of red chili pepper, 1/8 of black pepper, and I'll beat. I'll also go in with 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add more than this depending on your taste. I'll also go in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I will go ahead to beat this. Then our liquid is ready. Next, we'll be transferring our soaked oats into our blender, followed by our egg mix, and we will transfer this and go ahead to blend. Next, I'll be transferring my batter into a bowl. Butter is well grounded, very smooth and well combined. Here's our batter. It's thick. This is exactly how I want it to be. So next, we would be heating up a pan and frying our oats. Next, we'll be greasing our pan with some cooking butter. You could use vegetable oil. Just a little vegetable oil will be fine. I just like the flavor the butter adds to it. So we'll be going in with our batter. My batter is kind of thick. I actually like thick batter, so this doesn't let it come out as round as we would want. That would be aesthetically pleasing, but then it's delicious. It's amazing. So let's flip this over. Our pancake is ready. Let's go ahead and test this. Hey guys, our pancake is ready. Come on, this is it. We are just going to do a few toppings before we serve. So I'll be coating this with some honey, and we would also be garnishing it with some grapes. Okay. You know, in addition to the cooking, one thing I look forward to is testing the meals I make. It gets me very excited, especially if it is something amazing. Anyway, I always make something amazing. So let's test this and see how it tests. I'm anticipating the test already. Ooh, this is how the inside looks. As you can see, it's well cooked. So we are going to go ahead to test this. Let's have a bite. This is amazing. If you are one that loves healthy food, you would love this. I'm going to give this a 10 over 10. Yeah, period. It's a 10 over 10. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Please add this into your recipe this weekend. Saturday morning or Sunday morning, it's fine. So let me know if you'll be trying this, and after trying it, please don't forget to let me know how it came out. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.